It's Secret Santa time, and I'm drawing a name, and guess what? Obviously, it's for you. In today's video, I'm showing you the perfect makeup starter kit for beginners, all on a budget. Now, let's make your holiday glam magical without breaking the bank. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to day 3 of 12 days of Shopmas with me, your girl Imani. If you are new, you just walked in on something great, sis, so be sure to sit, subscribe, and enjoy, because I got something for you. If you're returning, you already know the vibes. Let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So I've never actually personally done a Secret Santa before, and I've always wondered like what that would be like, especially if I had to be one for somebody that was into beauty. And because you guys are my besties and I drew that, so clearly I have to give you guys something. And I feel like the perfect thing to give you is an affordable full face of makeup with Shopmas. And I know you guys heard me say this all the time. $20 can get you XYZ from Shopmas. Literally, this price is what will get you all of this stuff in here, if not a little more. So I felt like if I was going to be somebody's Secret Santa that was into makeup and needed a complete starter kit, this is what I would do. So first up, we have the AOA Studio Professional High Def Brush Set. She's really cute too. She comes in this purple pouch. And let's see the brushes. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm also unboxing everything with you guys right now. So this is also my first reaction. I kind of just, Shopmas sent me a whole bunch of beautiful things, and I felt like what other way to see what it is than with you guys. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, oh, these brushes are nice. It comes with 10 brushes, all for different things. So for base routine, for eyeshadow, for blushes, for highlighter, they have so many brushes in here for you. So I feel like if you are a starter and you're into makeup, this brush kit would be amazing for you. Then another thing that I would recommend too is a cute little makeup bag. This one is actually $1.55. It says main character energy, because period, all my besties are always main character energy. So if you need just like a quick bag to put all your stuff in, and we're gonna do a test fit too, because I got a lot of goodies in here for you guys, and we're gonna see if they will all fit in here. Next up, we have some soft matte foundation, and this is for flawless filtered skin. It's a soft matte finish, and it's really good for all skin types. And I'm not gonna lie, Shopmas sent me so many goodies. I have too much foundation, and I already know that a good Vaseline is not my shade. I've already picked out my shade, so I feel like another thing I will be adding to the giveaway is some foundations, as well as possibly concealers, because I have a few that are also too light or too dark for me. So if you would like to see that in the giveaway, let me know down in the comments down below. Next up, we have some concealer. So we have our Locked Creamy Concealer. This one is in the shade MC1. It comes in 12 shades. It's also creamy, but very breathable. And the wand in here is actually very smooth, so it's a comfortable glide on when you put it on. I don't know, this looks really good. I'm even looking at their shades right now, the shade ranges that they have. So I'm seeing cool tones, neutrals, warms. I'm seeing some for light, medium, and dark skinned individuals. Shopmas, and she is $1.88. Now you know concealer nowadays be like $12, $13. So come on now. Next up, we have the AOA Studio blushes. Now I personally have already used these. These are super pigmented. I really love them. These are some juicy liquid blushes. This one is in the shade Rosy Ray. Get you some liquid blushes. If you don't wear a blush, are you really doing your makeup? Give it the program. We gonna add some blush. So get you one of these. And also we have a dual brow definer. So it's thick on this end, and then you have slim. So I'm thinking if you want more of like that microbladed look, you can go down here. But if you're wanting more of that full thick brow, you will go up here. Now for mascara, we have length and a volume. This is the Duoflex 2-in-1 mascara. So with this 2-in-1, it says what you would do is you will pull to remove excess mascara for lengthening definition, or you will push to add mascara for buildable and more thick lashes. So it's volumizing, it's lengthening, it's buildable and enhancing. Next up on the list, we have some beautiful lip liners. This one is in red. This one is a nice reddish undertone with a brown overtone. This one is a deep brown. I personally love their gel lip liners. I had one that was called Lasso, and that one just gave me the perfect brown lip line. And then we also have some really cute gloss. So it's not a high gloss, so when you put it on, it gives like that soft shine. So if you want more of a gloss, I will go over it with some more. And honestly, these are some amazing products. So what better gift than to give somebody that is a big fan of makeup, but you don't want to break the bank, but you want them to feel like they have the most when it comes to makeup. This is why I recommend Shop Miss A. So if you saw anything that you liked, I will be linking everything down in the description box down below, so you can purchase these items for yourself, because like I said, you will not break the bank at all. If you can go buy a chicken at McDonald's, you can go buy like 5 things from Shop Miss A. And that is why I love this brand. So if you are interested in anything, also, once again, like I said, be sure to subscribe to my channel, because I will be doing a giveaway with a lot of these Shop Miss A beauty products. These are amazing, and who knows, there's definitely some other chances to win things. We're doing 3 giveaways of this Vlogmas, so I want to make sure that everybody has a potential to possibly win some amazing makeup by Shop Miss A. But thank you so much for tuning into my video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. Do not click off of my channel just yet. Be sure to go watch day 4 of 12 days of Vlogmas with Shop Miss A, and let me know what you guys think. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.